Hello everyone. So students, today we will do the simple future tense. Previously we did simple past and past continuous, and today we will do simple future. Okay. So first of all, the basic thing, let us see the structure. Subject plus will shall plus verb. Bare form means first form. Like for example, I will go to Thailand. The same, the negative will be form. I will not go to Thailand. Then interrogative. Will I go to Thailand? Okay, it's very easy. So now let us discuss when we use simple future. Yes, so simple future tense is used for indicating those actions that we think will happen in the future, or we think we will do in future. Okay, when we predict the future, the tense which is used, it's simple future tense. Now see, these all are example of simple future tense. The first one is I shall write an essay. Ben will sing a song. I shall work hard to obtain good marks. My father will go to California. He will become a good person. We shall go to school alone. You will remember our whole life. Okay, what you have to do now, just take two sentences of them. इसमें से कोई भी दो sentences लेने हैं आपने. Just write negative of them, interrogative of them, and negative interrogative. So now see the future continuous tense. The basic, the structure, subject plus will. The one only thing which is added in this tense is be. Okay, just remember that be plus verb की first form plus ing. Okay, for example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. Okay, interrogative क्या बनेगा? Will I be singing in the concert tomorrow? Negative, I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. Okay, this is about the structure and example. Let us see the usage. Now see when we can use the future continuous tense for interrupted actions in the future. Like when you get home, I will be watching this movie. Then for a specific time as an interruption in the future, like we will be having breakfast tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. ठीक है, prediction है यहाँ पे. For the actions already happening now and expected to continue sometime in the future. Like we will still be dealing with this task in an hour. Next देखिए. To ask question politely about the future. Will you be leaving Mexico tonight? This is an exceptional use. Okay. While expressing the intentions for the future, like I will be helping my mother during the weekend. For parallel actions or a series of parallel actions. Okay, this time next week they will be dancing, chatting together and having fun. So these all are the usage of future continuous tense. Now let us see some examples. So let us see these examples. The first one is the baby will be sleeping in the afternoon. बच्चा शाम को सो रहा होगा. I will be seeing you this time next month. She won't be watching the news at 8. वो रात के 8 बजे न्यूज़ नहीं देख रही होगी. She will be traveling around the world this time the next week. यहाँ पे prediction है. She will be studying at the library tonight. It will be drinking milk tomorrow. Who will be waiting for me when I arrive in the Paris? Okay, so all these are the examples of future continuous tense. The same you have to do like earlier I tell you, just take two sentences, make negative interrogative and negative interrogative, and nothing more you have to do than that.